Kiharo-inĩ gĩkĩ kĩa Green Stadium kaunti-inĩ ya Bomet nĩkuo President William Ruto, mũnini wake Rigathi Gachagua hamwe na atongoria angĩ manyitanĩire na atongoria a kanitha ngũrani o hamwe na mũingĩ igongona-inĩ rĩa gũcokia ngatho.
Na tunarudi kusema kongoi mising. Asante wananchi wa Bomet, muliungana na Wakenya wengine kutoka pembe nyingi za Kenya, mkapiga kura sawasawa, timu yetu ikapata uongozi wa nchi.
Sema mtuombee serikali ya Ruto ipambane na hawa wadudu, impunity, ufisadi na tamaa, ili maisha ya Wakenya iwe sawa.
Guko nikuo President aririkanĩtie atongoria arĩa athure igũrũ rĩa kĩbarũa kĩrĩa kĩrĩ mbere yao gĩa kũhingia ciĩranĩro kũrĩ mũingĩ wa bũrũri.
The people of Kenya have discharged their part of the contract. They have given us an opportunity to lead, from MCAs, members of parliament, senators, governors, and myself and my deputy and everybody that we have appointed. It is now our opportunity to discharge our part of the contract.
Itamina rĩake rĩa gũtungatĩra mũingĩ hatarĩ mũthutũkanio, Ruto augĩte nĩkĩoete ikinya rĩa gũcera gĩtaro-inĩ kĩa Nyanza nĩguo kuonania nĩeharĩirie gũtungata Akenya gũtekũmakania kana nĩ mamũthurire.
Na nitangaze ya kwamba hakuna mwananchi wa upinzani, wananchi wote ni wananchi wa taifa letu la Kenya. Wale walio katika upinzani ni viongozi, kwa sababu wako na kazi ya kufanya.
Na mimi nataka kushukuru sana because you have said you have no room for hatred, you have no room for retribution, you have no room for revenge. You only have room to work for the people of Kenya.
President ningĩ akinyũrũria atongoria athure arĩa maroneka marĩ mĩhang'o-inĩ ya kwĩmathĩra iturwa na kũmera matige kwananga mahinda marĩa mabatie gũkorwo makĩhũthĩra gũtungatĩra mũingĩ.
Sisi tunataka kila kiongozi ambaye amechaguliwa muanze kupanga mambo ya wananchi, sio kupanga mambo yenu ya vyeo sijui nani, mpaka mnapoteza wakati wa county assembly mkipigana. Shame on you.
Kũrĩ mũingĩ wa Bomet, icera rĩa President rĩũkĩte na mawega kĩondo rita akĩmerĩra ũkinyanĩria wa tabarĩra itiganĩte cia ũthii wa na mbere.
Kia hapa waheshimiwa amelia mambo ya majani chai, na ni kweli, na rais ameniagiza mwaka huu nikiendelea kumsaidia nimulike mambo matatu nikimsaidia: mambo ya kahawa, majani chai na maziwa. Na wale watu wenye kukula jasho la mkulima wa majani chai, siku zenu zimeisha.
Sasa mimi nataka nikuombe rais, there is a project that was initiated by ICT Authority, the Kenya Software Factory. They only require 100 acres from the county government. Mimi nafikiri Professor Barchoko atakubaliana where they put it. But in the budget, please allocate them 1 billion Kenya shillings. How that factory, if set up, can employ 100,000 young people.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.